Howdy folks, here we go with a demo of my Profolio product design portfolio mockup kit for Figma. Once you have purchased the Figma file, simply go over to your Figma file area, drag the Figma file into your documents, open up the Figma file. On the left-hand side, it's very simple and organized. You have a number of pages here, just 3. The first one is the page with all of your mockup templates. The second page is examples of these mockup templates being used in a portfolio to give you a bit of inspiration. Let's go back to our mockup templates. I'll give you a quick zoom in here. We have our brand color, which we can change to change the color of the background in some of our mockups. We have our mobile mockup templates here on the left hand side. There are 6 of them. We have our desktop mockups here on the right hand side. There is 10 of them. So I'm going to show you how quickly and easily it is to put one of your designs into the mockups. There's no crazy plugins, no manipulation or angles or any of that stuff needs to be done. It's simply a matter of copying and pasting your file into the mockups, and I'll show you how to do that right now. So say you want to use this mockup here. We'll go over to our Figma file and grab a copy of an existing design, a preferably flat design or a screenshot, and we simply select our layer, copy that, go over to our mockup, select the white panel, paste the design into the mockup, scale it up a little bit, and there you have it. That's how quickly and easily you can embed your designs into the mockup templates here in Figma. Let's go again with a desktop design. So we've got our final desktop design. It can be a screenshot, preferably a flat image. Let's copy that from here. Go over to one of our desktop mockups. Let's go with this one here. We've got 3 different panels here. Simply select that panel there, paste the design in, scale it down a little bit, and there you have your ready to go mockup. I've prepared all of the layers with masks and drop shadows, so you simply just have to drop your designs, paste it in or drag it in. It's very simple, very quick and easily organized. Once you've got all of your layouts into the mockup, you simply select this layer here and we'll go down here and export our mockup. Let's go with 2 times for our retina screens. I export that mockup, and that PNG image can be used for any of your folio needs. And that is an example of the Profolio Figma mockup template that will let you create amazing mockups for your product design portfolio.